So this is what I'm coding today. It's just a simple chat where everything will list, and if you type something hello, it will get saved in my Firebase database or live database. Let's start with initializing the app. Let's install some dependencies, like we need Firebase and I'm going to use Material-ui for the designs. And let's start it. Looks like the app is working. And we have some input. Great. Now before that input, we need a list. So we need to import some more things. For example, list item, text. And just to lock it up, it's gonna look like something like this. Goodie. Looks okay. Now we're going to connect this to a database. We actually can add stuff to it. Let's get this, copy that. Actually, we just need this part. Go back to our code. Take out the console, type hello, press enter, and that works. Let's see if that works. Hello there, enter. Let's go to the database. And as we can see in the database, hello there. Hi, that works. What we need to do now is get this data and display it here instead of this hello 3 times. Yay, that worked. And if I write link on stuff, press enter, and it actually updates. So it's just a few things left to do. And the first thing is that if if you write a really long word, you have to scroll, and we want it to break the line. Works. I also wanted to scroll down all the way down, so you don't have to do it yourself. And we also have to limit it only gets the first 100 or 1000 messages and not get all of them if it will end up being a lot of messages. And that works. And of course, there's more things to do, like our login authentication. But this is a simple chat. I will put this live on the GitHub pages with the link in the description, and you can go out and try it out.